my lord!
Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna do another video for you guys, but today's video is gonna be different. So, yeah, today's video is gonna be I'm gonna be unboxing something. I wonder who that is. I'm gonna be unboxing something I've never had before. I've never had this before. So this is gonna be new to me. I got my first printer. Why is he stealing my printer? He bought it, so, you know, it was nice of him. He's such a good person. I already started opening it. Like, I thought about doing the video after I had opened it already. So that part is done. So, let's go ahead and start opening it some more. Okay, so I've already started opening the box. So let's see what this is. It's very simple, I guess. Oh, I have to download an app? Ugh. Continue online. Okay. It came with the ink already. That's great. And the card. Ew. Now look at him. He gonna try to be all Mr. Strong, man. Don't break it. Here, you hold it. I think he goes like this. And he already did this, so.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's upside down.
Struggling.
Shut up.
Just struggling.
Ooh, it came with other stuff.
She ain't about to read none of that. Just illiterate.
Don't be like me and not read the stuff. You know, I just do that just because I'll figure it out on my own. It's so nice. And it's an HP.
3 months later, she found out all kind of new stuff it could do.
I don't want to scratch it.
Just like a baby on Christmas.
Let's plug it. I should probably read the directions.
No, really? Really? Yeah, you should read.
The first thing I really want to do is print a shirt. Or
Stay
print my stuff out to make shirts.
in school, kids.
Stay in school.
Look her socks.
Holler. They're all black.
Little feet. At least they don't stink. I know some people that got some stank feet. Look at them. Pat-a-da-da-da-da. Pat-a-da-da. It's about to spit in her face. She about to have paper cuts on her cheeks.
Wait, it's blinking. Why is it blinking?
It's electronic. Electronic things blink. It's okay.
I'm gonna read the directions.
Before she blows herself up.
So, one, I need to do this. What's this? Why is it? Okay.
Do 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 do.
Oh, I was supposed to do that before I plugged it. It says I can turn it on now.
Anna. Anna.
What?
Boop. A hand's about to come out and grab her.
He's doing stuff.
I told you what it's about to do. It's about to grab you.
Okay.
It's gonna poke your nose.
Now, how I know which ink going which? This is black. So I'm guessing the black one goes on this side. And this is the color. Okay, for the record, I know how to put ink in a printer. I just didn't know, you know.
Because it's a new printer. Don't let her lie to y'all. Come on, shake it like a pack of Newports.
But you hate Newports. I only know that because people in my family smoke.
That's how you catch somebody. That's how you catch somebody.
I don't smoke.
Ooh, caught her. Caught her slipping.
I don't smoke.
She gets stressed.
I get stressed. I do. But I
Caught her
don't smoke.
slipping.
Okay.
Boy, quick to correct you when they know what they're doing, huh?
That's one. I think literally you're supposed to keep these bags, but I'm not going to keep them. And I'm going to just get some plastic bags and put these things in whenever I'm ready to throw it away.
Did it to Dora. You got to get the little clicker on the screen. You got to be like, click. That's how she shake her Ritalin medicine. She...
Okay.
She go break it. It's already been a day. Just got it out the box.
Wait!
She about to make smoke come out of it. Don't even know how you do that. Anna, look. And look.
Paper goes in.
Anna, the paper jam light.
But there are no paper in it.
You gotta check it.
But how?
Got you the paper jam lights on.
Oh, okay. I gotta read.
I'm lying, yeah.
Man, don't play.
She about to rip the directions too. Strong hands.
Okay, this is the ink. I already know how to do that.
Barely.
I'm gonna be doing stuff like this too. Because I like doing stuff like that.
The viewers didn't even get to see what it was. You flashed it so quick. Photo projects.
Yeah. Press power on. Control panel display. Ink alert. What's the ink alert?
When you out of ink or running low.
Oh, well, no, it shows us right here. Right on the side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Look at her little feet. She looks like she's wearing a onesie under there.
Oh, it's right there. Wait, why the ink alert thing on? Oh, I know another printer was gonna be this hard.
You want to let me look at it?
Yeah.
be the old man. Yeah.
Maybe we should power it off and power it back on. But I put the ink in there, right?
It stopped.
What'd I do? What'd I do wrong?
I think maybe it just wasn't pushed in far enough because it's not blinking on.
Okay.
That's true.
Oh, I need to connect my laptop. Okay, guys, so we're going to update you guys whenever we figure out more stuff because this stuff right here is like really complicated.
You're complicated.
It's a whole nother day. I look like shit, but it's okay. It's okay. I don't feel all that well either, so it's okay. Okay, so I'm here. We're back. We're going to finish this video. He ain't saying anything. We're going to finish the video from the other day with the printer. I do have it set up. I do have it set up so you guys get to see the finished product. I did test it, but it didn't really work the way I wanted it to with the t-shirt thing. But yeah. But it's okay because practice makes perfect. Okay, so, oh, excuse my toes. Look at his toes. Look at his toes. Yes, he got some pretty feet. Mine not all that bad. Anyways, this is the printer. Oh, he got some cold feet. So, this is the printer. It's all set up. It's actually connected to my phone. And my phone is connected to my computer. So, it all works out. And I have this, which is what I'll be using to make my t-shirts. I realized I'm gonna have to do them on white t-shirts because I did try it on the black. Let's see. It didn't come out too well. I'm trying to find it for you guys. Here it is. Okay. Like, I messed it up on purpose. That's why it looked ratchet. But, because I was trying to see something. But, yeah. This is a quote from a good friend of mine, so don't try to steal it. It's hers, you know, because emotions ain't loyal. But whatever. But, I'm going to print my stuff on a different color shirt. I'm in the process of taking all this off the shirt. I didn't do it right the first time. It was just a test run. Whatever. But, yeah, so I really do like the printer. He's such a great friend. He bought me the printer. And yeah, I get to scan stuff. And then it prints come out right here. So yeah. That's the end of the unboxing video. I just wanted to let you guys know that we did get to finish setting it up and all that. Yeah, so I'm out. I need to go do some other stuff. He got into it too much. But anyway, I'm out. Peace.